Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to add people to WhatsApp group. The first thing you do is open up the group on WhatsApp and then you tap on three dots at the top right corner. Here you can see group info, group media, search, rest of them, and you can see add to list. Tap on add to list and you can choose new favorites. So this is not actually what we're looking for actually. So let's tap on more, exit group, clear, export and add shortcuts. I think the best way is through the person's name, the name of the group I meant, and then at the top here tap on three dots and you can have add members. You add the members through here, and that way you can do it is down here after the members here. After add group to a community, you can see add members, so you can add members here. You can also add members by inviting them via link, which means you can send the link via WhatsApp, they're already on WhatsApp, or you can copy the link and then send it to them, or you can share the link here. After share the link, you see the link, tap on copy, or just tap on the person you want to share the link to. And also you can add more people through QR code by giving them the QR code, and then once they scan this QR code, you can join the group. And also you can just go to the person and message the person directly. It all depends on you.